When the term project schedule management is expressed, it refers to time management of the project, project cost management, quality management, communications management, and others clearly refer to domains that are managed. When it comes to project integration management, it seems a bit confusing. Cambridge Dictionary defines the word integrate as different things put together to make them more effective. This is exactly what project integration management does for the project. The project manager puts together all other domains, scope, schedule, cost, quality, and so on, to make them more effective and achieve the objectives of the project. This is called project integration management. Some call integration management knowledge area as the umbrella knowledge area because it creates a cover over all other knowledge areas and connects them together. Let us look at an example. The project performance report is created in one of the processes of project integration management. The process is called monitor and control project work. The information that goes into the report comes from various other processes. Those processes are control scope and validate scope processes from project scope management knowledge area. They provide information about progress on project scope and also on the acceptance of deliverables by the customer. Control schedule process from project schedule management area, which says whether the project is on time, early, or late. Control cost process from project cost management informs about being under budget, over budget, or on track. Control quality from project quality management gives quality performance, and a few other processes from various knowledge areas also provide work performance information. All this information is taken in by the monitor and control project work process of the umbrella knowledge area, which is project integration management. A complex project needs much more integration than a simple project. The responsibility of integration is taken up by the project manager. No matter how large the project is, this responsibility is always with the project manager. Toronto's Pearson International Airport Terminal Development Project had separate members of the project management team who took care of each knowledge area. There was a cost manager, risk manager, procurement manager, reporting manager, and schedule manager. However, the project manager, who had the title of project director, took the role of integration manager because project integration is the primary responsibility of the project manager.